Hey friends, welcome back to another part of my journey through the heart of Tehran. Today, I'm taking you deep into the city's bustling streets and crowded bazaars, but not just to show you food or souvenirs. I want to show you the real side of life after the war. This is Tehran, just weeks after the Israeli attack. If you stay with me until the end, I promise you'll see things no headline ever shows you. Not long ago, many of these shops were shut down. People were scared. Thousands fled the capital, escaping to smaller towns just to get a few nights of peace. But now, they've returned. The city is coming back to life, but with a different energy. If you're finding this interesting so far, give the video a like. It helps more people discover the truth. Now, let's grab something to eat. Tehran wouldn't be Tehran without street food. Spicy sosis bandari, warm ash reshte, crispy falafel, it's all here. But something's off. The prices. Everything has doubled or even tripled. A simple bite now feels like a luxury for many families. If you're still watching, you're the kind of viewer who wants to see what's real. So hit subscribe. There's more coming you won't want to miss. The markets are busy, but buying has slowed down. People are cautious. Shopping bags are smaller, but their eyes still carry hope. They're fighting, not with weapons, but with resilience. Stay with me because I'm also taking you to a rarely seen market in southern Tehran. Trust me, it's worth watching. And while the war may not be truly over, life is slowly finding its rhythm again. People have come back. They're rebuilding with patience, with family, and with quiet strength. Thank you for being here with me. If this video meant something to you, give it a like and tell me in the comments, where in the world are you watching from? And if you'd like to support these travels and future videos, you can hit the thanks button below. Even a small gesture means a lot. This is the real story of Iran, and it's only just beginning.
همچی گرفتمش دیگه همچی گرفتم که نبرم خیلی محبت کردی عزیزم مرسی خدا نگهدار
بچه آبشار رو بده بزرگترین آبشار در بندان رای مردم
پایین. باید خیرات بود. بسیم باید خیرات همه چی همه مدل همه رقم بیا بهار ناره بهار شیران کنجر بابا آله پاشا
بله آب تو چیکارده ای؟ زبون نمیدونم چیه؟
چه؟ بیشتر بشه یا نشه 100 گرم 250 863 خوبه بهار نارنج بهار نارنج یه دونه 50 863
بازاری بیارم.
شادی پول میگیم.
فعلا شیرین بیا. شمال داریم بخش.
انگور چنده؟
انگور 200 تومن 300 تومن.
صاحب بیا این مدل این کجا رو ببین.
بده.
دستانه. کیلویی دیگه؟
زهرم دارم.
شبیه
بزرگ استفاده ما هست.
لیموتوش
چقدر آقا
آقا لوبیاتون چنده؟ باقالیاتون چنده؟
نقدر؟
آقا تلفن چیه؟ مشکل بشم
آره روزی دیگه آدم رفتی یه پیام مختلف نیست همون شبا دیگه
کاملش هم داریم کامل 250 کدومشه درشت یا نیست این تازه است اون نداره همین الان زدیم 10 دقیقه هم نیست که معلومه دیگه شستیم زدیم خیالت راحت دو تا
هفت تومن شاهی ریون
شاهر این بقیه هم Şaman ailəsində mən qoğuram. Siz də kazım gəlməyəcə özüm gəl bakalım. Ne startın kaçanda?
Dağıtsa. Gördün mü ben aladım?
İna gayret میشه.
And hey, if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much. It means the world to me to have you here. If this gave you a new perspective on Iran, Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more real stories from the ground. And before you go, check out the next video popping up right now. It's one you won't want to miss, trust me. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay curious. Thanks.